So our programs are based in education. If you don't know how to balance a checkbook or create a budget, how are you going to be financially literate? How are you going to know how to buy a house, how to get a car, how to pay off your credit card debt? How are you going to know what's the difference between good debt and bad debt? So what we do is we educate everybody on how to do your taxes. In college or in high school, no one ever taught us how to do your taxes. They just expected you to know. Well, that's not our game. We want it to be to where you know what's going on in your taxes, what's going on in your finances, what is going on in your credit, what is going on in your debt, what is happening to your retirement. There are so many things that encompass your life that have to do with finances, and no one taught us that. I would recommend financial literacy to anyone, but I would definitely recommend Endeavor to most people. You're getting the best bang for your buck. We're talking about community service, what we do. We're talking about customer service. You are getting a personalized financial plan for everybody. So if you come to us with a 480 credit score, bad debt, have no idea how to handle your finances, we are educating you so that someday when you leave us, when you are no longer paying for our service, you know what's going on in your finances and what's going on in your credit.
Jackie, is there anything you would like to add?
One thing that I would really like to add is that we do not judge. If you come to us with a 300 credit score and you are so far in debt that your eyeballs are sinking, we don't judge. We don't care what you did in your past life. We don't care what your walk of life is. We don't care what your socioeconomics is. We just care about you. We care about your finances. We care about your future. We care that we are helping you educate yourself on your future, and we want to help you find that future.